Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow editing only in certain cells when you're sharing your Google Spreadsheet. So first you want to select the data range that you don't want to allow to be editable or you want to restrict. And then you're going to the top left and click on data, then locate protect sheets and ranges. Then you just want to enter the name or the description of that column. So I'm going to put email. Then just click on set permissions. Then you want to make sure that you've selected the second option, which allows you to restrict editing for only you. Then click on done. And then just go ahead and exit that. And then just click on share on the top right. Then you want to copy the link sharing and then you can send it to anyone. But when they open your spreadsheet, they won't be able to edit this cell that you've restricted. So that's it. Thanks for watching.